Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something different. We are about to unbox the Apple Watch Series 6 plus some glam accessories. Let's open this beauty up. I don't know why everybody always want to see you open the box, but we are going to open this beautiful box. I was so excited to order this offline. I got the rose gold edition. I was like, yes, I'm finna be on my rose gold journey, honey. Yes. I also brought the new iPad Air in rose gold, so I can't wait to match these two together and see how it works out. Look at that. Yes, there is our beauty, you guys. Yes, and there's my band. I wanted the rainbow one. Yes, support my LGBT community. Look how gorgeous that is. Yes, let's get this out of the box, you guys. Ooh, look how pretty that is. So gorgeous. There's some instructions if you haven't had an Apple Watch on how to attach it and how to put it on your wrist. It can be very handy. Look at there. That's so pretty. It's so soft. I'm loving the colors. You have the large to medium, and then you also have the small. Yes, let's get it out of the box. So stretchy, very pretty. Oh my God, I'm excited about this. I'm loving this rainbow theme, and that looks gorgeous on my skin. As you can see, I'm excited. All right, so without further ado, here is our beauty. Rose gold. Yes, I am super excited about this. There's a little paper. We don't care about that. And then everybody knows it does not come with a brick. You do get the charging cable, but you get no brick. But I got 1,000 of those bricks, so I can care less about that. So it's all good for me. Yes, let's open this beauty up. Oh my God. Oh, look at that color, you guys. That is so pretty and girly. It's the perfect shade of rose gold too. That's super pretty. Yes. Ew. Yes. And so our first accessory, this is this blinged out cover that I got for this. It is so pretty. It's super easy to put on. All you have to do is match it up where the dowel is, attach it on, and go. That's pretty much it. Look at the sparkle on that, you guys. The sparkle, I'm loving. Now, the first band we're going to put on is our rainbow. Look how beautiful that looks. And if you see, it's already pairing to my iPhone. Yes, honey, I ain't even did nothing yet, and it just started pairing by itself. Ew. Yes. We're going to put this on. See how easy that is to put on? Oh, my God. That rose gold bling, and then I got the rainbow. That is so pretty, ladies. Come on now. You got to leave me some comments, honey. I know you are feeling this combination. But oh, wait. We had to get something to match. Look at this. This is for my AirPods Pro. Look at that. Oh, my God. Yes. Didn't I say I was going to have some bling accessories, honey? Yes. And it's so easy. It's silicone, so you just pop it in, honey. Put the top on and go. Look at the little thing that you can put on your purse. Look at that. That is super cute. And then it has at the bottom, you can just plug it right in. You don't have to take it out of the case. Look at that. You can't tell me that ain't matching, honey. All right, so our next accessory is this blinged out rose gold watch band. Look how pretty and gorgeous that is. I mean, come on, y'all. Come on. Did I come through with the bling and the sparkle? Yes, honey. Let's put this on so I can show you how sexy this is looking. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. Yes, honey. Now watch when I slowly move. Oh my God, look at the watch face. Okay. But when I slowly move, look at how the sparkle goes. Come on now. I know you guys are feeling that. Okay. Yes. For my glam sisters, come on now. Or my glam brothers now. Come on now. Come with me now. Come through. Yes. Okay. So now next, this is my Apple Watch Serie 4. Now, I kept this one in all the silver, so you can see that you can go back and forth. These accessories will work with the 6 and the 4 and the 5, because I have a friend who has the 5 and she's gotten some of my accessories too. So these accessories will work with all of these watches, okay? And my size is the 44. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning, but that is what both my Apple Watch Series 4 and 5. I got the 44. So yes, honey, look at that. Come on now. Yes. Now next we have, I got it in black. So we are going to, that is the Apple Watch face. And look at that. Look at all of that bling. Come on now. Now we got to put the watch band on to match. Yes, honey. See, I was coming through with this sparkle. Yes. Look at that. And I'm going to leave all the links down below. Don't worry. This is all off of Amazon. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes, honey. I am so loving it. If you are a matchy blingy girl, come on now. Now, I could have got the matching case for this one too, but I didn't because I have a different one that I'm matching with my black, as you will see right here. So I got this all out rhinestone case. And again, ladies, I got this all off of Amazon. Okay. Look at all that sparkle. Yes, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. How'd I do? Come on now. Let us sister know. How did I do? Yes. Look at that. Do you see the sparkle when I move around? Yes. And I didn't put that case on all the way. It does fit on very snug. I just didn't put it on all the way because it's so hard to get it out of the freaking case. But it does have the charging thing at the bottom, so you don't have to take it out of the case and you can just charge it from there. Next, I got this other kind of like, it's not a stretchy band. I forget what it's called, but I got this one as well. This is in rose gold. This is just if you want something plain. I like this one because it's super tight and it's one of those magnetic ones. It's super duper duper tight. So if you're looking for something to make sure that your watch ain't going nowhere, honey, and it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. But look how beautiful that pairs together. Come on now, come through. Yes. I'm loving the color combination. It matches perfect. Okay, so I had to go back to this rose gold because, honey, I wanted you to see what I was pairing it with. I just wanted to give you another angle, another look. So there is my little beauty. This is my little setup for my rose gold. Had to get one in my color. How cute is that? And of course, it has the charging thing at the bottom, so you don't have to take it out. And it's silicone, so it's easy to take it out, mix and match up your accessories. Yes, honey. I am loving this rose gold combination. You guys, leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of this video. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Until next time, bye.